Hello traders, and welcome to another Forex Forecast. This is the Weekly Forex Forecast. So I want to welcome any new subscribers. So welcome to this channel. Thank you so much for clicking. And as usual, what we do, we begin with the economic calendar, and then we look at the dollar index, the EURUSD, and the pound USD, what the past week has done, and what the week may do ahead. So to begin with, let's begin with the economic calendar. So looking at this calendar, we are seeing that we are ending the month on Tuesday. So we have some high impact news for USD at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. Then Wednesday, we also have some high impact news at 8:15. Thursday, we have some GBP news at 7 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. New York time USD news. Then Friday, we have NFP. So this is the week where we usually have NFP, which usually comes at the very first week of the month. So we have NFP, so this is the NFP week. As usual, I normally don't engage in the markets from Thursday going into Friday. So I'll be engaging between Monday and Wednesday to see what the market may produce as potential setups. So let's begin with the dollar index. So this is the weekly chart of the dollar index. And if you listen to my video last week, I outlined this imbalance as a potential draw on liquidity, and the market was drawing towards for us to see any impact, if any, from the market once we get into this. So we have already gotten into the imbalance, and we have hit this order block here. So these two up close candles are our order blocks. I've outlined the law of this bigger order block, and that's why we have hit. So I believe that the market is now ready to begin sliding lower into the next objective. So I'm still short-term bearish on dollar index. On the daily chart, we saw the market actually come into the weekly imbalance, hit a volume imbalance here, which we already outlined last week as an objective. Then we have that weekly order block right there. Then the market slid lower, came into this imbalance, and then drove even higher to hit that order block. So initially we fell short of that order block, then went back to this imbalance to drive the market higher to hit that order block. So I really like how the market has closed on Friday, because what I'm really anticipating is to see if the market will want to start sliding lower. If we take out this low, then clearly the market will have indicated that it wants to drop further below towards this liquidity. So this week I'm bearish on dollar index, and I'm looking at this low. If we take out this low, then I'll clearly see that the market wants to continue lower in the weekly chart. So on the 1 hour chart, as you can see, that's the order block that we hit there. So I'm really watching to see if the market will want to start respecting and creating a new order flow. So at the moment, we have not been shown that order flow, but that's what we'll be watching going into next week. On the EURUSD, I remain bullish as long as dollar index remains bearish. So the level I'm watching actually this range here, which is our dealing range. This is the range I'm watching. So if we take out this range on the weekly chart, then clearly the weekly chart may want to go to this liquidity. But for now, I'm watching this range here. We were watching this imbalance. We can see clearly the market drew into that imbalance. We hit this order block here. And now from there, we want to see if the market will want to show any willingness to start reversing and continuing its bullish order flow. On the daily chart, we had this imbalance going into Monday, which was used effectively to drop into that weekly range. So we are back into this dealing range on the daily chart. So we had this imbalance here as a potential target. We also had this imbalance, which was filled on, was it Wednesday? Then Thursday dropped even further down, coming into almost hitting this imbalance. We created equal lows with that low of the imbalance. So the market really has dug deep into that range. So I'm just waiting for Monday, Tuesday to see any confirmation of any form of reversal from there. So as I outlined, I'm watching if these lows are taken out, then that will be a whole different story for EURUSD. On the 1 hour chart, we actually saw the market just on Monday, took out Friday's high, then slid lower, then came back to take out Monday's high, and then we saw that drop below. And then from here we'll see what the market will want to do. So on pound USD, we outlined this as our potential target. So we are just sitting on that order block right there. So I'm just waiting for the market to show any form of expansion. So I'll remain bullish on pound USD as long as dollar index remains bearish. On the daily chart, we saw the market this week just go higher, seek that premium array, and then just drop to take out this sell side liquidity. So from here, we'll see if the market is willing to now start going higher towards this objective. On the 1 hour chart, we just saw the market consolidate really throughout the week. We hit that daily premium level and then just dropped aggressively to take out sell side liquidity. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not enrolled in my course, kindly enroll to become a successful forex trader. See you in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Also let me know what kind of content you want to see or any suggestions you have. Thank you.